GED Math Practice Test Questions and Answers. Question 1. What is 37 * 17? 635.0, 628.0, 634.0, 629.0. The result of the calculation is 629. Question 2. Solve for x. 10x plus 13 equals 103, 11.0, 8.0, 10.0, 9.0. Subtract 13 from 103 to get 90, then divide by 10 to get 9. Question 3. What is 799/17? 51.0, 47.0, 46.0, 57.0. The result of the calculation is 47. Question 4. Find the range of the set 5, 12, 12, 14, 35, 30.0, 28.0, 35.0, 32.0. Calculated result is 30. Question 5. Find the range of the set 21, 30, 34, 35, 36, 17.0, 15.0, 13.0, 20.0. Calculated result is 15. Question 6. Find the range of the set 5, 11, 19, 27, 43, 38.0, 40.0, 43.0, 36.0. Calculated result is 38. Question 7. Solve for x. 8x plus 4 equals 116, 15.0, 16.0, 14.0, 13.0. Subtract 4 from 116 to get 112, then divide by 8 to get 14. Question 8. What is the area of a rectangle with length 10 and width 9? 88.8, 90.0, 92.5, 99.0. Using the formula, the result is 90. Question 9. What is 26 to 8? 14.0, 18.0, 25.0, 22.0. The result of the calculation is 18. Question 10. Solve for x. 7x plus 1 equals 64, 10.0, 11.0, 9.0, 8.0. Subtract 1 from 64 to get 63, then divide by 7 to get 9. Question 11. Solve for x. 8x plus 12 equals 116, 14.0, 13.0, 12.0, 15.0. Subtract 12 from 116 to get 104, then divide by 8 to get 13. Question 12. Solve for x. 9x plus 2 equals 38, 5.0, 4.0, 6.0, 3.0. Subtract 2 from 38 to get 36, then divide by 9 to get 4. Question 13. Solve for x. 8x plus 11 equals 75, 7.0, 9.0, 8.0, 10.0. Subtract 11 from 75 to get 64, then divide by 8 to get 8. Question 14. What is 66 to 1? 75.0, 60.0, 65.0, 66.0. The result of the calculation is 65. Question 15. Solve for x. 5x plus 8 equals 63, 13.0, 10.0, 11.0, 12.0. Subtract 8 from 63 to get 55, then divide by 5 to get 11. Question 16. What is 40 * 16? 638.0, 648.0, 642.0, 640.0. The result of the calculation is 640. Question 17. What is the area of a triangle with base 4 and height 8? 17.6, 16.0, 18.5, 14.8. Using the formula, the result is 16.0. Question 18. Find the mean of the set 32, 32, 34, 40, 50, 42.6, 35.6, 37.6, 39.6. Calculated result is 37.6. Question 19. What is the area of a triangle with base 18 and height 10, 92.5, 99.0, 90.0, 88.8? Using the formula, the result is 90.0. Question 20. Find the median of the set 18, 35, 37, 38, 46, 39.0, 35.0, 37.0, 42.0. Calculated result is 37. Question 21. What is 35 to 6, 29.0, 35.0, 24.0, 33.0? The result of the calculation is 29. Question 22. What is 957/11, 93.0, 87.0, 92.0, 85.0? The result of the calculation is 87. Question 23. Solve for x plus 20 equals 36, 5.0, 3.0, 4.0, 6.0. Subtract 20 from 36 to get 16, then divide by 4 to get 4. Question 24. What is the area of a rectangle with length 6 and width 6, 36.0, 38.5, 39.6, 34.8? Using the formula, the result is 36. Question 25. What is the area of a rectangle with length 12 and width 9, 106.8, 108.0, 110.5, 118.8? Using the formula, the result is 108. Question 26. What is 98 to 10, 95.0, 93.0, 88.0, 85.0? The result of the calculation is 88. Question 27. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 15 and width 6, 46.2, 40.8, 44.5, 42.0? Using the formula, the result is 42. Question 28. Find the range of the set 2, 3, 5, 16, 43, 43.0, 39.0, 46.0, 41.0. Calculated result is 41. Question 29. Find the mean of the set 25, 37, 41, 43, 49, 37.0, 44.0, 41.0, 39.0. Calculated result is 39.0. Question 30. What is 1540/20, 78.0, 77.0, 76.0, 83.0? The result of the calculation is 77. Question 31. What is 94 to 12, 82.0, 90.0, 85.0, 81.0? The result of the calculation is 82. Question 32. What is 59 plus 6, 74.0, 68.0, 65.0, 64.0? The result of the calculation is 65. Question 33. What is the area of a rectangle with length 16 and width 3, 48.0, 52.8, 50.5, 46.8? Using the formula, the result is 48. Question 34. What is 55*13, 710.0, 717.0, 715.0, 724.0? The result of the calculation is 715. Question 35. Find the range of the set 1, 1, 15, 25, 42, 46.0, 43.0, 39.0, 41.0. Calculated result is 41. Question 36. Find the mean of the set 6, 22, 29, 31, 44, 26.4, 28.4, 31.4, 24.4. Calculated result is 26.4. Question 37. What is 61 asterisk 11? 670.0, 671.0, 674.0, 678.0. The result of the calculation is 671. Question 38. What is the area of a triangle with base 13 and height 5? 35.0, 35.75, 31.3, 32.5. Using the formula, the result is 32.5. Question 39. Find the range of the set 9, 12, 17, 31, 35, 31.0, 28.0, 26.0, 24.0. Calculated result is 26. Question 40. What is 605/11? 55.0, 64.0, 60.0, 51.0. The result of the calculation is 55. Question 41. Find the range of the set 6, 13, 29, 41, 44, 36.0, 43.0, 40.0, 38.0. Calculated result is 38. Question 42. What is 85*16? 1360.0, 1364.0, 1366.0, 1358.0. The result of the calculation is 1360. Question 43. What is the area of a circle with radius 5? Use pi equals 3.14, 77.3, 78.5, 86.35, 81.0. Using the formula, the result is 78.5. Question 44. What is the area of a triangle with base 4 and height 2? 4.0, 2.8, 4.4, 6.5. Using the formula, the result is 4.0. Question 45. Solve for x. 8x plus 3 equals 67, 8.0, 9.0, 10.0, 7.0. Subtract 3 from 67 to get 64, then divide by 8 to get 8. Question 46. Solve for x. 6x plus 17 equals 83, 10.0, 11.0, 12.0, 13.0. Subtract 17 from 83 to get 66, then divide by 6 to get 11. Question 47. What is 36 to 17? 21.0, 18.0, 29.0, 19.0. The result of the calculation is 19. Question 48. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 13 and width 2? 32.5, 30.0, 33.0, 28.8. Using the formula, the result is 30. Question 49. Solve for x. For x plus 14 equals 22, 2.0, 1.0, 3.0, 4.0. Subtract 14 from 22 to get 8, then divide by 4 to get 2. Question 50. Find the median of the set 14, 15, 17, 24, 39, 15.0, 17.0, 19.0, 22.0. Calculated result is 17. Question 51. What is the area of a triangle with base 10 and height 7? 33.8, 35.0, 37.5, 38.5. Using the formula, the result is 35.0. Question 52. What is 1140/19? 67.0, 57.0, 60.0, 61.0. The result of the calculation is 60. Question 53. What is the area of a rectangle with length 18 and width 3? 59.4, 52.8, 54.0, 56.5. Using the formula, the result is 54. Question 54. Find the median of the set 10, 22, 25, 36, 40, 23.0, 27.0, 25.0, 30.0. Calculated result is 25. Question 55. Solve for x. 9x plus 7 equals 16. 1.0, 0.0, 2.0, 3.0. Subtract 7 from 16 to get 9, then divide by 9 to get 1. Question 56. Find the median of the set 3, 12, 28, 28, 49, 30.0, 28.0, 26.0, 33.0. Calculated result is 28. Question 57. What is 35 plus 20? 65.0, 57.0, 55.0, 50.0. The result of the calculation is 55. Question 58. What is the area of a triangle with base 13 and height 5? 31.3, 32.5, 35.0, 35.75. Using the formula, the result is 32.5. Question 59. Find the mean of the set 12, 17, 18, 35, 42, 29.8, 22.8, 24.8, 26.8. Calculated result is 24.8. Question 60. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 11 and width 2? 28.6, 28.5, 26.0, 24.8. Using the formula, the result is 26. Question 61. Find the median of the set 17, 19, 30, 35, 39, 30.0, 28.0, 32.0, 35.0. Calculated result is 30. Question 62. What is 616/11? 60.0, 64.0, 51.0, 56.0. The result of the calculation is 56. Question 63. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 7 and width 6? 26.0, 24.8, 28.6, 28.5. Using the formula, the result is 26. Question 64. Find the mean of the set 22, 27, 39, 40, 41, 38.8, 33.8, 35.8, 31.8. Calculated result is 33.8. Question 65. Solve for x. 2x plus 15 equals 31, 8.0, 9.0, 7.0, 10.0. Subtract 15 from 31 to get 16, then divide by 2 to get 8. Question 66. What is 28 plus 6? 34.0, 40.0, 30.0, 36.0. The result of the calculation is 34. Question 67. Solve for x. 3x plus 10 equals 52, 15.0, 14.0, 16.0, 13.0. Subtract 10 from 52 to get 42, then divide by 3 to get 14. Question 68. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 15 and width 7? 42.8, 48.4, 46.5, 44.0. Using the formula, the result is 44. Question 69. Find the mean of the set 3, 11, 17, 34, 46, 24.2, 20.2, 22.2, 27.2. Calculated result is 22.2. Question 70. Find the mean of the set 8, 13, 15, 26, 37, 21.8, 24.8, 17.8, 19.8. Calculated result is 19.8. Question 71. Solve for x plus 14 equals 30, 5.0, 4.0, 3.0, 6.0. Subtract 14 from 30 to get 16, then divide by 4 to get 4. Question 72. Solve for x 8x plus 2 equals 26, 4.0, 3.0, 2.0, 5.0. Subtract 2 from 26 to get 24, then divide by 8 to get 3. Question 73. Solve for x 2x plus 14 equals 30, 10.0, 8.0, 7.0, 9.0. Subtract 14 from 30 to get 16, then divide by 2 to get 8. Question 74. What is 990/11? 92.0, 99.0, 86.0, 90.0. The result of the calculation is 90. Question 75. Find the mean of the set 4, 16, 18, 32, 46, 28.2, 23.2, 21.2, 25.2. Calculated result is 23.2. Question 76. Solve for x 8x plus 14 equals 46, 6.0, 5.0, 3.0, 4.0. Subtract 14 from 46 to get 32, then divide by 8 to get 4. Question 77. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 7 and width 2, 16.8, 19.8, 18.0, 20.5? Using the formula, the result is 18. Question 78. What is 465/15? 31.0, 41.0, 30.0, 34.0. The result of the calculation is 31. Question 79. Solve for x 9x plus 19 equals 82, 6.0, 9.0, 8.0, 7.0. Subtract 19 from 82 to get 63, then divide by 9 to get 7. Question 80. Find the range of the set 21, 30, 35, 49, 50, 29.0, 27.0, 34.0, 31.0. Calculated result is 29. Question 81. What is 53*9? 484.0, 479.0, 472.0, 477.0. The result of the calculation is 477. Question 82. Solve for x 8x plus 19 equals 123, 15.0, 14.0, 12.0, 13.0. Subtract 19 from 123 to get 104, then divide by 8 to get 13. Question 83. What is the area of a rectangle with length 8 and width 3, 24.0, 22.8, 26.4, 26.5? Using the formula, the result is 24. Question 84. Solve for x 3x plus 7 equals 28, 6.0, 9.0, 8.0, 7.0. Subtract 7 from 28 to get 21, then divide by 3 to get 7. Question 85. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 5 and width 10, 30.0, 32.5, 33.0, 28.8? Using the formula, the result is 30. Question 86. Find the median of the set 8, 36, 37, 38, 47, 35.0, 42.0, 39.0, 37.0. Calculated result is 37. Question 87. What is the area of a rectangle with length 14 and width 7, 98.0, 100.5, 107.8, 96.8? Using the formula, the result is 98. Question 88. Solve for x, 10x plus 4 equals 54, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 7.0. Subtract 4 from 54 to get 50, then divide by 10 to get 5. Question 89. What is the area of a rectangle with length 8 and width 10, 78.8, 82.5, 88.0, 80.0? Using the formula, the result is 80. Question 90. What is the area of a rectangle with length 19 and width 4, 78.5, 83.6, 76.0, 74.8? Using the formula, the result is 76. Question 91. Find the mean of the set 18, 25, 27, 39, 50, 33.8, 29.8, 36.8, 31.8. Calculated result is 31.8. Question 92. Find the median of the set 11, 15, 21, 29, 44, 26.0, 21.0, 23.0, 19.0. Calculated result is 21. Question 93. What is 78 plus 12? 95.0, 88.0, 90.0, 97.0. The result of the calculation is 90. Question 94. Solve for x, 2x plus 9 equals 29, 9.0, 10.0, 12.0, 11.0. Subtract 9 from 29 to get 20, then divide by 2 to get 10. Question 95. Find the range of the set 5, 8, 15, 30, 31, 28.0, 24.0, 31.0, 26.0. Calculated result is 26. Question 96. What is the area of a circle with radius 10? Use pi equals 3.14, 345.4, 316.5, 312.8, 314.0. Using the formula, the result is 314.0. Question 97. What is 10 to 12? 6.0, minus 3.0, 3.0, minus 2.0. The result of the calculation is minus 2. Question 98. Solve for x, 5x plus 5 equals 70, 14.0, 12.0, 15.0, 13.0. Subtract 5 from 70 to get 65, then divide by 5 to get 13. Question 99. Solve for x plus 4 equals 52, 13.0, 11.0, 12.0, 14.0. Subtract 4 from 52 to get 48, then divide by 4 to get 12. Question 100. What is the area of a circle with radius 3? Use pi equals 3.14, 27.06, 30.76, 28.26, 31.09. Using the formula, the result is 28.26.